Welcome to the El Dorado Palace, where it's all about wealth, career, success, and confidence. This is the place to keep track of what you want to achieve and manage your things in order to get there. In the outcomes, you can create yourself something similar to a buffet of all the things you want to have and experience in your life. In the agenda, you choose out of all these outcomes you created over there what you want to focus on for your day, week, month, and year. The achievements is a list of things you can do playing CoLegend that will earn you achievement points, something that shows on your profile and symbolizes your mastery level in CoLegend. The powers show you things and abilities that you will unlock when having all life areas in level 7 of a certain sphere, and thus progressing from one sphere to the next. You can see the sphere you're in by the color of your portal's badges on the island, remember? If you want to give something back to the island, or if you want to feel even more confident by adding a bit of imaginary luck to your game, you can throw a gem into the Fountain of Fortune and see what happens. Everybody on Leyenda has a title. In the beginning, for example, you're a tourist. The titles is the place where you can see which titles you've already unlocked and where you can also change them to your liking.